Good morning, everyone. My name is Sneha Tripathi, Faculty of Juridical Sciences, Ramar University, Kanpur. Today's topic is employee welfare. Employee welfare means the social responsibility of employees are the workers, our firm, and the organization. Employee welfare are the social responsibility, and the employees are the retention, employation, motivation, and employees are to keep works to the organization, employees to the organization, and works to the helper, to understanding the employer and employee relation, to understanding the employer and employee relation, to underestimate the job satisfaction and morale, to increase product efficiency, to introduce the new social workers. Meaning of employee welfare. Employee welfare refers to the organization is social responsibility, well-being, and a social economic firm. Employee welfare, like to it means to ensure the social creativity and employee motivation to the work and the organization. Next, definition of employee welfare. Employee welfare is defined as the facilities and developed by the human being and employees beyond the payment of the workers and the labors of the employee code. Employees as amenities of the understanding the employee welfare to the hope and the chances of the organization firm. Next, importance of employee welfare. Employee welfare plays a vital role of the organization. Employees are work with the firm and the organization to cooperate the management things, enhance the productivity, enhance the social responsibility, enhance the produce of the new market. Next, health and safety. Health and safety refers to the workers and the firstly think of the firm and the organization to the employees are joining the organization to templates and the occupational disease like accidents, like mental health, age, and the social disability of health and safety measures. Next, health measures of social welfare. First example, medical checkups, first aid, ambulance, social disability, clean drinking water, and maintenance proper of work and organization. Occupational health. Next, safety measures. Safety measures aim to provide the employee welfare to the organization. Use of safety points to like helmet, gloves, machine guards and safety guards, fire safety system, safety measuring and awareness program. Next, social responsibility refers to the protection provided to the employees and the old age unemployment and protection to the organization like social families, objectives of social responsibility. First, social security of the organization. Next, to protect employer from organization, to ensure a standard of living, to material age factor of the social workers. Social security measures. First, Provident Fund, PF, EPF, pension schemes, accidents and life insurance and health insurance, and unemployment benefits. Next, further to move training and development. What is training? Training and development refers to the systematic to employ skills, knowledge, and employee come to the organization to help the training and development skills, like new organization and job related changes. Definition of training. Training is the planned process, a vital role play in the organization and help to the workers to the firm and organization. Key points focus on the current job satisfaction, short-term process, short-term courses, improve performance and efficiency. Next, definition of training and development. Development is the vital role play in the organization to key companies' roles and responsibilities. First, focus on the future job performance, social short-term courses, long-term process, aims and the short-term process. Example, leadership development as a software of a development. Importance of training and development. Training and development employees to employee performance and organization can be explained as follows. First, employee and employer relations, enhance employee production productivity, reduce errors, helps in career development. Development program process to workers in the organization and to come to the new company to work and help to the firm and technology. Next, job changes. Job changes refer to movement and the employee from one job to another within the organization. A transfer is a common for a job in an organization to another job of similar responsibility of a taking a new job. Type of transfer: next, first, promotion transfer, production transfer, replacement transfer, and shift transfer, and location transfer. Employee is transferable to the one and to next to another countries. Components of employee remuneration: direct and indirect, basic pay salary, HRA, TA, DA, PF, monetary fund paid to offset the indirect of HRM. Incentive bonus paid of higher beneficial of the employer to the work firm and the organization to company given to the new employees are to training and development, basically to pay off the HRA, DA and TA. Compensation refers to the total reward received by an employees, like employees to work at the firm is the motivated to a company. To HRM is a discuss of the whole concept of the wide range. For a compensation is the monetary and the scaling performance payment by given by the employer and total payment by of the employer contribution to the organization. Organization is the biggest concept to the HRM. Key points of compensation. Compensation is the reward given by the firm. It includes financial and non-financial system. Compensation ensures fair wages and the training and development. The training and development is the biggest part of the whole of the employee of the company. It also includes indirect messages and the job satisfaction PF, TA, DA. Insurance, it promotes job satisfaction level and the higher level of HR. It employs to a giving of the opportunity to the come and the employee to higher organization by the employer and employee. Thank you.